If you want to get shots like this with your GoPro, then you're going to need one of these. This is TELESIN's 6-inch Dome Port, and it works with GoPros 5 and upwards to get awesome underwater shots. Now, I've been using this over the last few weeks. The review is a little bit late because I've had this a while and I wanted to get out and test it in the water, and I've had a couple of opportunities. First time, I've got to be honest, when I went away, we went surfing and I forgot my GoPro totally. I was filming with other cameras and I totally forgot to take it away. So again, when we went out this weekend on the jet skis, I took some of these awesome photos, and these are just some of the shots that I got with the GoPro Dome from TELESIN. TELESIN are an amazing company. Go and check out that website. They've got lots and lots of action camera accessories, from domes to tripods to other charging ports to numerous different mounts they do for the GoPro, and they make really high quality stuff, and I've been really impressed with this GoPro Dome. There's a few features I really like about it, and the fact that it comes with this protective cover on the dome, because obviously this bit of plastic is maybe prone to getting scratched and stuff, so you've got to be careful when you're storing this. Make sure you put the included cover on it, and that's a nice little touch that comes with it. The actual thing itself is all made out of plastic, but it feels really high quality. We've got a nice rubber grip on here as well. There's a 1/4 inch thread on the bottom for adding tripods if you want to put it on a tripod, and then it comes in the box with the included lanyard if you want to put a lanyard on the bottom there on that hook. Dome is nice and big and clear, made of high quality plastic, and around the back you've got your GoPro mount where the GoPro actually slots in there for taking those underwater shots. Like I said, it works with GoPros 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, and presumably the 11 coming out over the next few weeks, it will fit that as well. I don't see the actual body design changing that much, so it should fit in here. But stay tuned, make sure you subscribe, press the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. I'll keep you updated on that in the pinned comments down below. You get other things in the box as well, like a cleaning cloth to make sure this is nice and clean in between using it in different locations. But what I do really like is it comes with this trigger that can be fitted to the actual grip itself, so you don't have to fiddle around underwater pressing the button on there to record. If you're diving, for instance, scuba diving, and you're wearing gloves, then it comes with this included capture trigger, which you can fit on top of here. Press the trigger like so, and it actually presses record on the device on there. Really ingenious design and really helpful. Like I said, if you're underwater wearing gloves, you can just hold it like that and press the trigger rather than trying to fiddle around with the button on the top. So that's a nice feature that's included in the box with the mounting screws as well. The only downside I can see to this is that it's quite a big thing to travel around with. It does come undone, so you can put that separate to the handle, and it's not very heavy at all. Very, very light, but like I said, well made. But that's the only negative. This thing is brilliant, and I'm going to be looking forward to taking this abroad with me in the coming months and years, because I'll be able to get some awesome shots with the GoPro. The great thing about using the GoPro or other action cameras is that you don't even have to take photos. What I did for these photos that I took is I actually recorded in 5.7K, and then in the editing software afterwards I took a snapshot of the particular scene. You can go through frame by frame and choose which frame you want to take a snapshot of, and it actually extracts that as a JPEG photo. So it's a really, really good and clever and much easier way of getting photos from your GoPro footage. That's how I did it with these photos. But that's it for this video. Really impressed with the GoPro Dome Port from TELESIN. If you do want to grab one for yourself, there will be an affiliate link in the description down below, and if I get any discount codes or coupons, I will put that in the pinned comment or in the description as well. So stay tuned, make sure you look out for those. Okay, I'll see you in the next one, guys. Take it easy, bye.